face is. This is Wednesday, October 11th. And I'm on my way to get my mom something to eat. My helper is coming in late today. And you know, I just can't get up anymore in the mornings. Of course, I was awake at 2 o'clock. And didn't get back to sleep till around 3:30, and then of course 4 o'clock the alarm starts going off, and of course I keep hitting snooze till I know that I have to get up. And if I didn't do that, I probably wouldn't get up. You know, I didn't need a clock. Boys, I do now. And yes, I've got that defrost on, so it's making noises. I wanted to talk about this concealer. It's a concealer corrector. It's one I received. I don't know which box it was. I need to start taking notes or something on these things so I remember which box they come in it. Now, I've had it, you know, a while. You've got to shake it though. And I mean, from the very beginning, you got to shake it. It is a peachy, but not peachy as some. Of course, I'm here right when all these parents are letting their kids off at school. But I'm going to just go right now. Hopefully nothing's coming. All right, the elementary school is just right there. All right, turn around. All right, let's cut that thing off. So this is from a Canadian company, I believe. This is called Kosmetik. And I did look them up, so I'm pretty sure they're in Montreal, or they have a store in Montreal. I'm not French. Anyway, this is, I think, just one of the best concealers I've ever received in a box, and one of the best concealers I received overall. It's all I'm wearing today. It comes out in the one, and you can see the peachiness there, but then when you shake it really well, there was an alarm that went off, sorry. So you can see the peachy look there. I know it's kind of hard to see with this lighting because it's foggy this morning. Anyway, just wanted to let you know about that. It's really good. I really think it's worth to look at if you're looking for something that's a color corrector that's not too peach, but just the right peach. Also, I've not noticed any creasing. Now, I'm not gonna say it won't crease, because I don't believe any concealer out there won't crease. I just believe that sometimes it's your eyes, what you've got on as the base, and how you set it. But I've not noticed any creasing. And I've been setting it with the Huda powder, the peachy powder. All right, I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I'll go ahead and tell you the makeup is pretty much the same as yesterday. It's just I only use the Natasha and Denona palette. And my lipstick is the Mario lipstick. I'll have to put the number below. I don't know the number off the top of my head. His is numbers. This was in a mauve kit that is on Sephora. So if you see the kit that says mauve or mauve, that's what this is. And it's really a brownie mauve. Definitely brownie mauve. All right. So I brought this Allure box. I can't really hold it up right now since I'm driving, but I brought the Allure box. This one is, you know, supposed to be for fall. It's October. It has some hair stuff in here that I guess they think our hair changes in the fall. I don't know. And it does. And see, mine today is the perfect day, I believe. This is third day hair, and this is the way I like my hair to look. Now, I know it's not perfect right now. I would have to play with it for a minute to get it perfect. But I like the piecey look that my ends start to get. And, you know, that's with no product in it. I've not put any product in it. All I did was brush it out. I was going to run the flat iron through it, but I haven't had time. I remember to edit that out. Anyway, I was going to run my flat iron through it, but I didn't because I thought, well, I like it like this. So this is kind of my look that I like. I'll put it that way. The first 2 days is just a little too dry, and then it starts to have some of the regular oil sink in. That's why I don't wash my hair every day. It just would never, I would have to put too much product in it to get it to really look. And I just don't want to put that much product in my hair. All right, let's shut it, Vicky, and go to this Allure box. Okay, the first thing we're going to get out of the way is this First Aid Beauty Anti-Chafe Bar Stick, whatever. I like how they have it politically correct in here about the chafe stick is that when you're out on your morning jogs. They obviously are trying to be nice. And I'm sure that you do need that. I used to run, so I know years ago. No one could pay me to run down. Anyway, if you can still run, I think that's great. But anyway, I got out of it. I believe that when you get older, everyone needs a chafing stick. Now, you know, you could work out, I think, 2 and 3 hours a day. Maybe even more than that, but you still would need it when you get older. Somewhere on your body. Me, it's my lower stomach because it's dropped. I'm not trying to be graphic, but it has dropped. So I definitely need something chafing. Now, I normally use the Monostat chafing cream. I like it better. Of course, some people use that as a facial primer, but I like it better. Anyway, I'll try that one and see. I do have one I keep at work, but I don't really like it. It's from, I don't know. Let's move on, Vicky. All right, this is the Scalp Massage Serum. I can't read it while I'm driving, but that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. You see it? If you can't, I'll put it below. I'll take my little list in. All right, this is the Caudalie. Let's just get out the list, Vicky, and quit being so. Okay, that was the TPH Masking and Relaxing Scalp Mask. I'm right at my house, so don't worry about it. This is the Caudalie Premier Crew Eye Cream. They know I love eye creams. I have cut back on them though. I'm not layering them now. And I've noticed that since I've not used that Elemis, they feel much smoother. So I think that Elemis was doing something. All right, but I don't know that for sure. Okay, let's get through this real quick. Now this I've received before. This is the Flanerie Lily Bloom Hyaluronic Serum. I know I've not received this before. It's something else from them, but that's that. So I'll try that. And then I got this Style Edit Root Concentrate, and I could try that today. And we might take that into work. All right, now I got a scrunchie. I like to put my scrunchies, you know, on my arm because I'm a young girl. I'm still young, you know. And I believe that's all that we got in here. Let me look at my little list here. Oh, there's supposed to be a blush. Where's it at, baby? Oh, there it is. It's the Teez Cosmetics Suit of Armor Don't Blush Me Blusher in Mauve. And you know, I've not been wearing blush lately. I just haven't been in the mood for it. This don't look like mauve to me. Oh, I hate it when it's taped. I hate it. I hate it when it's taped. Thank goodness for my good old trusty knife I got in here. All right, it don't look mauve to me. It looks rust. Whatever. That's what it looks like. Let's swatch it. That ain't mauve. That peach concealer is more mauve than that is. Anyway, I'll give it a try. I like the color of it, but it's not mauve. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry this is rushed, but I'm running behind. So I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Guess what? I'm back. I know that was a very terrible unboxing, But y'all know me. I'm just here. I'm doing this as if I was just talking to my best friend, because y'all are my best friends. Anyway, I know my voice is sounding kind of, I'm assuming it's allergies. I don't know. I did not feel good at all yesterday when I got home. You know, it was like my whole body was tingling, and you know that if you've got fibro, you know how it is. Sometimes when your body just tingles and feels like it's on fire. That's kind of the way I felt. I'm assuming it's the change of weather, you know, because it's in the 40s almost every morning now. No, I don't wear a coat. Well, I wore a jacket Monday because it was in the 30s, but now it's just in the 40s. I can't stand to be confined. I forgot to get out my sweatshirts. I do have a couple of work sweatshirts, but I need to get them out, and I've just not done it yet. But you know, it still gets warm in the afternoon, and I just don't want to, you know, I have to take a change of clothes because I'll get hot. Because you know where I'm at. Yesterday it did get up to 75 in there, so it still got warm yesterday. Oh, hush. And you know, when it gets a little bit more, I'll start driving the car more. And I've got to get a new thing for them. I bought one, but I don't like it. A new holder. I don't like it. You know, it's supposed to be better than the cheap ones. It's not. Trust me. I paid more and I'm sending it back. And I got one at Marshall's that's all right, but I just don't, I don't know. I don't care for it. Anyway, we'll see what I do. Y'all know me and returning stuff. It don't happen easily. I'm just not good about it. I'm just too lazy. Anyway, what else was I gonna say? That's mostly what I was gonna say. I mean, I know that probably most of you dropped off when I said bye, but I know I didn't say my saying, or maybe I did. I don't know. I don't think I did. But I just wanted to come and say that I know my voice sounds kind of, I don't know, like I'm losing it. I just think it's weather change. For some reason, the leaves, when they start falling, there's something in it that I don't know, it happens every year. And then every year I have a bout of aching and, you know, a lot more body pain than normal. And I think that's all the change in weather. So I hope that if you're going through it, that you are doing what you can to make yourself feel better. The best thing I can do is get in the hot tub of water, and that's what I did last night, and then I felt so much better. So much better. And no massage. I've had so many people talk to me about massage, but I can tell you right now, I'm not getting a massage. Massages to me make it worse every time I've had one, and I'm just not having another one. I don't relax in them. I don't know why, but they're just not for me. Now, foot massage, all day long. Body massage, no. Now, I'll go get a foot massage or a pedicure or whatever, but that's about it. And they can do up in here my shoulders, but it's something about my back, and, you know, and I don't know if it's an invasion I feel or what it is. I can't do it. I guess I could do it if I was drunk. I don't drink anymore, though. All right, I will shut up on that one. So I hope y'all have a great day. Take care, and be kind to someone or be kind to yourself. Talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.